What's up guys, I'm Cameron. Welcome back to Relentless Shine, and you'll never guess, we're working on another Tesla. One of the most important things about our morning is to get really caffeinated. Next is to be super detail oriented. So I'm gonna squeegee this hood off, kind of the final stage before we apply the slip solution and then hang the film. I know you guys have seen before, so what we like to do is capture all the dust that's been settling while we're getting things ready, squeegee it off. We've got a perfectly clean surface, or as close as we can possibly get, before we put the film on the car. So I'm gonna start rolling through it. If you're new to the channel, this is paint protection film. We use a brand called Premium Shield. It's lifetime warranted, so it'll give you rock chip prevention, and it's also the warranties against turning yellow or cracking and falling apart, kind of like really old school film used to be known for. This is very clear, very smooth, beautiful film that doesn't make your car look worse while it adds a layer of protection. And the goal there is when the time comes to remove the film, your paint's unharmed, or as unharmed as physically possible. If you hit a brick, it's probably not going to do much for you, but for the normal debris, road wear and tear, let's get this done. Grab a squeegee, Josh. So something we haven't really talked a lot about in the videos, when we do full front packages, we include PPF coverage for the headlights and the fog lights, as long as the shape is doable. We also do mirror caps, part of that whole package. So it's a complete full front coverage. Guys, we hope you enjoyed watching. We're gonna start moving through the rest of this car, so we still have front bumper, fenders, and mirrors to apply. And then from there, it'll move into ceramic coating on the rest of the vehicle. That'll be full paint protection front to back, rock chips prevented up front, UV damage and chemical resistance and hydrophobics in the back. It's the most economical combination to get the whole car protected. So if you enjoy watching the videos, number one, thank you. We appreciate you. If you'll subscribe and hit the alert so you see the new videos drop. We drop videos weekly. We really enjoy having you. Thank you.